going back to the airball frequency now. Jim Noble comes down. That's the other course there out of the Dixie Range building this way. That's what radio, Cement Road, 9 cylinders, 18 cylinders, fire motor, all of this idle, gives you that rumble. We got things to play eight. Go off the wad, over there, burn out right there. Sliding right up the air, go ground. Down here on the right side, you're going to get the speed.
Noticed just a slight flickering movement against the ground. Now we were at 41,000 feet. I sat there and rolled up, and now I'm sitting right alongside of it. So I had latched on to 60. The 8 was sitting outside, spotted me before I was ready to shoot. And gave me a warning. The 8.
Get in your weekly envelope. Get out. Out, you never love it, and get on the road to victory. The boys got busy shooting your third warlord. All right, the fighters and the bombers have fired out. Let me hear As they do.
That's why not a fire.
or anything. I'll ask that first pair, just see if you want that.
Yeah, what do they don't do? You're about to see some big old power. What do they don't do?
Watch it. They're gonna put their smokes on.
I see the Corsair.
You're gonna see something you've never seen before.
Fly up and vomit.
Look at my house. Oh, man.
Well, have a sunscreen on.
That was really hot. That was hot. Oh, have you been to an air show that they did that before?
TSA, take that. Corsairs come in, you won't get to see Bill over. And Jordan's clearing them out, coordinating with Charlotte Approach Control to let some of our aircraft head toward Atlanta, head back to their home bases. And here comes our P-51 sitting down right now.
A bullet was to take. Down went the gunner, and then the gunner's mate. Up jumped the sky pile, gave the boys a look, and handed the gun himself as he lay beside his foot. Shout, praise the Lord, pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord, pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord, pass the ammunition, and the Lord swing into position. Can't afford to be a politician. Praise the Lord, we're all between perdition and defeat. To see, yes, the sky's piled up at us. You've got to give us credit for the son of a gunner while he shot. Praise the Lord.